After failing to resolve a dispute over staffing levels, more than 75,000 Kaiser Permanente workers on Wednesday began one of the biggest healthcare worker strike in the U.S. history. The strike of union members at the largest non-profit healthcare organization began in Virginia and the District of Columbia.
Yeah, we're out here because we want the world to know that Kaiser's being unfair to us. They're not treating us right. We're working through the pandemic. We're working through hard times. We're understaffed, underpaid. They're not giving us what we need to take care of our patients properly. So we're out here to let the world know that they need to respect us and they need to recognize that the service that we provide to our patients.
Scheduled to last 3 days, the strike threatens to disrupt medical services for almost 13 million people, curtailing non-essential care like routine checkups. Now, the coalition of unions representing the workers say that the company has failed to address an ongoing staffing crunch and has left workers feeling overworked and also underpaid.
It's ridiculous that we're asking for 6% and Kaiser doesn't want to give it. Yeah, it's not even fair. We're not asking to be part of the millionaire club. We're just asking to be part of the society and be able to afford gas without having to go 2 jobs. That's all we're asking. It's fair.
Now, at the moment, this strike is only a 3-day action. Both the company and the union said the negotiations are continuing after the previous contract expired on September 30th. However, the coalition threatened to engage in further strike action in November, that is, if Kaiser continues to commit unfair labor practices. In a statement, Kaiser Permanente said that it planned to keep its medical centers running throughout the 3-day strike and warned the customers to expect longer than usual wait times. Now, Kaiser's strike comes during a year in which the U.S. has seen an unusually high level of industrial action amid rising inflation. Higher prices have reduced the purchasing power of workers across the country. Now, while the rise of generative AI has also led to concerns about the automation of growing numbers of jobs in the country. And for more on this strike, our correspondent Susan Tharani sends this report from New York. Take a look.
Just as Hollywood writers got back to work after a 148-day strike, a new work stoppage, this time in the healthcare industry, as hundreds of Kaiser Permanente hospitals and medical offices have been affected. The 3-day strike started on Wednesday morning and is considered to be the largest healthcare strike in U.S. history. Striking workers not only include nurses, but also radiologists and X-ray workers, as well as hundreds of other positions. And strike locations are across the country: California, Oregon, Washington State, Colorado, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. Since the pandemic, healthcare strike has become more frequent as many hospital workers and the hospital industry really struggles not only with labor shortage, but also work burnout as well. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World This One.